We are at Southern Manufacturing and we are on the Hoffman stand to find out exactly what Hoffman are all about. So, Joe, what do Hoffman do?
So Hoffman Group UK cover everything within the proximity of the manufacturing industry. Everything from your range of PPE, industrial tooling, workstations and storage. So obviously on this particular stand here, you can see that we've got some of our compulsory PPE range. So everything from hearing protection, footwear, gloves. Obviously with this being an electronics event as well, we've also bought some of our ESD range with us. Obviously we then offer logo garments, the storage systems, and obviously everything from head to toe PPE.
And I love to say it, picking these up, but I like how we've even got work boots in the Hoffman colour.
Yep, so two of the main brands we sell in the UK are Garant and Holex. They've been developed, so Garant this year is actually 50 years old, and the Holex range is 40 years old this year. So they're well tried and tested, industrial produced products, which we are proud of as our own brands.
Now, obviously this is just one section of your stand, so if we move over where we may have to ask a few of your colleagues just to slightly move a little bit, as you can see them trying to run off from the camera.
I'm sure they will all happily run out the way.
So, what are we doing on this part of the stand?
So this side of the stand has some of our industrial tooling, just a selection as an overview. So we've got everything from the hand tool selections. So this particular box system displays our ability to foam inlay all of our tooling, obviously to create lean 5S processes. So much, very important for aerospace, industry, etc. Helps with the site that a tool is missing. So if you look at our industrial tooling down here, for example, you can see quite clearly the tools that we've removed. So it allows any engineer to know that they've left a machine, a tool in the machine or in an aircraft. Last thing you want to do is start it up while there's still a vernier in there.
Well, and I think this would be great on the shop floor to find out when somebody's borrowed one of your pieces of equipment.
Yeah, you could use it to check on people. Obviously the other side of Hoffman is our high quality precision tooling. So you've got a selection of our M mills, reamers, taps, etc. here, all very high production quality. We pride ourselves on our ability to reduce tool change times, to extend life of the product, increase finish results.
Now, quick thing while I've been studying, each one of these tooling's got a different coloured band on it. So what does the banding mean?
So the banding gives you an overview of the type of material that the product uses. So for example, we have our green band, yellow band, red band. There is a key to that on our website and in our catalogue. Now,
we've done PPE, we've done tooling. So there's one more part of your stand I'd actually like to cover. And that's this quite impressive looking thing we've got here. So what am I looking at?
So this is one of our industrial vending range. We do have several versions of this. Industrial vending this day and age is a must for all machine shops. You're using the same product over and over again. When you think about the cost of procurement, so that's the cost of placing an order, receiving an order, booking that order in, it all has a hidden cost on top of the machine, on top of the actual product. This machine will automate all of that. So it will not only order the product for you automatically, it will trace who took it, when they took it, what job it was allocated to, how long the person's had it, whether or not they have or haven't returned it. We can operate it on several systems, so you can enter it just on a PIN number. We do a thumbprint here, we have a scanner system, but it's simple to use. So this one here, I'm just going to log in with a thumb. So you can select the product that you desire, and you can see here we have a selection of products added. So if I just come to, let's say, this bit set here, I've got a choice then of I want to withdraw the product or put the product back. So if I say I'm going to withdraw this product, it gives me an overview to make sure that's definitely the product I want. Simply by clicking withdraw, the drum inside will rotate and the door will pop open. Tom, help yourself. So you can see there that the product's come out.
And can I just say, how quick and easy that was, but also how quick that vended. Because there's some vending machines on the market that are a bit, well, there's no other word for it, a bit slower at vending. You can be stood here for a couple of minutes, but that was seconds.
Yep, so I mean, just to show you how quick it can be, if I select another one now, that door will...
You can hear it, you can hear the carousel inside spinning round. So it's
there's the next one there.
Well, that's 2 of these we've got now.
So what we do know is we know that you took it, when you took it, and how long you've had it.
Oh wow, so there's no getting away with walking off the stand with these in my pocket then.
So the invoice is in the post.
So if there's somebody watching this who's seen something on this stand they'd really like, or they'd like more information on it, how can they get in contact with you guys?
So you can get in touch with us via the Hoffman website, Hoffman-Group.com. All of our contact details are on there. If you're particularly interested in the vending, we are actually running vending promotions throughout 2023. You know, talk to us. The possibilities with these systems are endless.